Hey guys, welcome back to Stonkanacci, and today we have a little bit of Wall Street bets memes, a little bit of Tesla TA, and news. So here we have Jim Cramer saying, easiest call in the world, the bear market isn't over. I will talk about it tomorrow at our club at noon. Not too late to sign up. Click on my avatar. So yeah, do you trust somebody saying avatar? I don't. And to be fair, I did try out Jim's course when I first started, just like the free trial or whatever. Straight garbage, man. Do not even waste your time with that one. But enough harping on Jim. I mean, he's pretty good content, I guess. But yeah, inverse Jim, you'll probably be all right. So yeah, probably is over. And you gotta think this guy's like getting influence from who knows who telling him to do this and that. So you can't really trust the mainstream. And so this guy doubled his portfolio pretty good, but he didn't show you what he's already lost before that, or he'll probably lose it again, no lie. If you double your portfolio in a day, you're probably gonna lose it in a day too. And then I think we already seen this, but it's a funny one. Butter watching the other food trays in the fridge from a special tray on a high horse. Pretty true, man. Butter does get special sauce. Tesla and Elon being sued over full shelf driving and autopilot. Tesla owner is suing the company. What? Tesla of knowing that the technology was non-existent, and Tesla did this to generate excitement about its vehicles while avoiding bankruptcy, attracting investment, driving up the stock, and boosting sales. This sounds like FUD, man. Paid $5,000 for his 2018 Model X on top of the price. Wow, that's pretty crazy. I think this guy's just jumping the gun a little bit. I mean, I think it's still gonna happen, but maybe not as quick as people thought. But I wouldn't panic about that. This is kind of concerning, dude. Mercedes-Benz says Drive Pilot is world's first internationally certified level 3 automated car tech. So that's pretty crazy, man. I always thought Tesla was way ahead of the game, but good news is you can't trade Mercedes-Benz stock as far as I know. So I mean, we're in the best stock you can, I guess. So Tesla spent 864 days as Wall Street's biggest short bet. Now it's Apple. Well, I'm glad they finally got off of our stock, man. It was pretty painful past 2 years, no lie, but I've been hodling strong. And Tesla today is up 3.59% and 0.5% after hours. So great day for Tesla. I did think it was going down, but I said in the earlier videos in the weeks past that it's hard to call a stock move when the volatility's low. And so Meta still dropping while everything else went up. That's pretty terrible. Google Trends still going down. That's pretty bad. And Fear and Greed is at a 39 yesterday. Now it's at a 42. Put on the timeline. Looking pretty good, man. Looking like we want to push to 80. So that'll be pretty sweet if it does happen. Let's see if we can see the volatility right here. So yeah, volatility is still pretty flat. Did tick up a little bit today, so that's good. And here we have Tesla on the weekly. So looking at this inverse head and shoulders, still looking good. Still got the weekly green dot. So everything's looking good and juicy as far as that goes. And that's the 5 week. I really need to take off some of these time frames. They're really kind of irrelevant, like the 5 week. But I mean, the 5 week is good as like an inverse trade. Usually when it green dots, it's time for a pullback. So we will keep that one on there and something to watch for in the future. But so we got the 5 month coming down, 3 month down, 2 month down, monthly coming up. so that's good. We got the 3 weeks, so when we get the monthly, that's usually when the big move happens. So we're right there, and oh my God, what just happened? All right, so we'll check out the monthly. When does it close? So in 15 days, I think we'll see a big pump when we get the monthly green dot as far as everything goes good. And that'll line up to kind of putting us into October. And October's, ever since I've been trading since 2019, has been a great month to be hodling. Just like right here, September, boom, October. Here we go. Let's check it out. What happened in 2018 in October? October came, boom. 2017, October came, not so good, but yeah, 2 out of 3, man. And plus we already kind of been down, so I do think October brings some spooky seasons and some cold weather and some good price increases. But we are right here at this EMA, but I feel like we already kind of tested resistance on it. We've been looking at that for a while, so I think that's kind of played out. 5-day looking good. Got a fresh 4-day green dot. Little red dot was a fake out. So we got a 4-day golden cross. Last time that happened was right here. So that kind of tells us where we're at in the trend. So it came down a little bit and then ripped it. Which, guess what? Never mind. I thought it was start of October. 3-day green dot looking good. Back above all major moving averages on the 2-day. Daily right there at the 200 day. So if we get above this 200 day, which would probably be about let's say if we break above 315, it's going to be a moonshot, I think. 12-hour might come into a little bit of resistance right here, but kind of already have, to be fair, on that one. 6-hour volatility still at extreme lows, so the big move has not happened even with the 4% up move. So it'll probably pop off and have a 20% day and then keep pumping from there. So we'll know when it happens. Probably very soon, I would think, either up or down. Big 20% move coming. Do think it'll be to the upside, but pretty biased. I do have a good amount of shares in Tesla, so got the 1 hour right here. A little bit of bearish divergence, but it's kind of already played out, I guess. And we do have volatility expanding to the upside as it goes sideways, so I've never really seen that, so I don't really know what that means, to be honest with you. Usually it doesn't do that. But the lower time frames, the volatility really doesn't matter. As you can see here, it expanded, flashed red. That was the bottom. So when we see it flash red, it'll probably be the top. But yeah, I got a 15-minute green dot, 20-minute. So everything's green but the monthly. So putting all that together, potentially have a 20% day tomorrow. But since we already went up 4, maybe like 15, and we'll check out NASDAQ. NASDAQ looks like a picture perfect inverse head and shoulders, looking great. SPY, same thing, really. Bunch of red dots on SPY. That's not so good, but you got the lower time frames. Wow, everything's red. My experience, when everything's red, that's usually when the pump happens. So, because we already had the dump. So, yep. I'll leave you guys with that. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.